It's a good thing we can edit videos. Okay. So I wanted to talk about this hair growth. I've had this hairstyle for about a month now, maybe 5 weeks tops. And I'll verify and I'll put it down below. And I've been using my shea butter, my whipped shea butter mixture that I posted the other time. So just putting the shea butter in here about once every 3 days or so. So maybe that's twice a week. You will see I have rebraided the front because I got so much growth. I had to rebraid the front. So you can't, we won't use that as a gauge right now, but the back, which I didn't rebraid, you'll see how much growth there. It's been about, I think, an inch or so of growth. So let's see. And you can see from back here, let's see. Yeah, I think this is more telling right here. That's the growth. So I just wanted to share that with you. I know I posted how to make that whipped shea butter for you guys so that you can make it at home yourselves, and all the different essential oils that I put in there for good skin, good hair texture, good hair growth, really for everything. Even if you have burns, like I told you, even if you have wounds that you want to heal better and faster, less scarring, you can use that shea butter mixture that I made. So that's all I wanted to show you, basically how I use it and what the results are. And so if you're interested, go ahead and take a look. I'll try and put the link down below if I remember. But if I don't, just go look through my videos. It was posted about a month ago and has all the ingredients in there that you need, and the method of making sure that the whipped consistency is exactly what you need for your hair and for your skin, okay? So I wanted to show you the other side. As you can see, my box braids are kind of huge at the back because I don't like the weight of the braids. So I do the braids as big as I can, and I'm not very careful with it, but it's all covered so nobody can tell. But as you can see at the back, it shows a lot more growth because I didn't rebraid the back. And so you see the exact progress from the day that I braided the hair, which you're going to see soon, and then 5 weeks later, how much hair growth that I had gotten, about a full inch from what you can see. This is the length of my hair before I braided. It's about 11 inches, I believe, and I have gained about 2 more inches since I did those braids. But this is when I had done the braids. It was about a week after I had done the braids, and I said, let me just take a picture so I can show you guys the progress after I start putting the shea butter. And as you can see, this is the progress after I put the shea butter in every 3 days or so. And it has made a huge difference in how fast my hair grows because of all the nutrients in the whipped shea butter. So go ahead and try it, okay? So that's all. This was a really quick video just to show you that, and I hope to see you next time. Stay blessed.